Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. In today's class, we're going to look at question 7 in our ongoing solution series on 2025 NECO past question on physics. So, the first question says, state two instances where total internal reflection occur. Number one is mirage, and number two is optical fibers. So, we have mirage. Mirage is a kind of an optical illusion that occur due to total internal reflection when light travels from a denser medium to a less dense medium. So this actually occurs in real life when the sun, during the hot day, the light travels from layers of air of different density, right? So, and that result to a kind of a pool of water in front of the driver in a hot sunny day, so which we term as an optical illusion. That's number one. Number two is fiber optics. Fiber optics that is used in telecommunication. Total internal reflection also occur in fiber optics. So these are the two instances where total internal reflection occur. So 7b says we should differentiate resonance from forced vibration. So resonance, you say that resonance occur when the frequency of an external periodic force or system equals the natural frequency of another system, right? So that is for resonance. Why forced vibration, as the name implies, forced vibration occur when an external periodic system set another system into vibration. That is forced vibration. Or we say forced vibration occur when a system vibrates due to the vibration of an external periodic force. Is that understood? So that is about question what? Question 7a. State two instances where total internal reflection occur, mirage and optics, fiber optics. Then differentiate resonance from forced vibration. Resonance occur when the frequency of an external periodic force equals the natural frequency of another system. And forced vibration occur when an external periodic force sets another system into vibration, or a system vibrating due to what? Due to the vibration of an external periodic force. I hope that is clear. So we're going to stop here in our class today and continue from here in our next class. Thank you for your time. See you in the next class.